Hi guys, it's me again. So I'm back with another food video for you guys. For this one, I'll be sharing with you easy strawberry smoothie recipes. So I got myself a bag of frozen strawberries and I wanted to share with you lang how I like to make it at home. So I'll be sharing with you 3 and I hope you like it. Okay guys, so first and foremost, we need a pack of strawberries because we'll be doing 3 recipes using the strawberries. For this one, we'll make strawberry chocolate smoothie. So we'll need strawberries, chia seeds, ice, sugar, protein powder is optional, and of course, cocoa powder. So since these are just smoothies, the process is really straightforward. We'll just need to mix everything together in a blender. Since I used whey protein for this recipe, I didn't add any more milk. But if you're not using any protein powder, please feel free to substitute it with fresh milk or low-fat milk. And that's it guys, enjoy your strawberry chocolate smoothie. Our next smoothie is a strawberry tropical smoothie. So actually I'll just be using greens here. So I used lettuce, strawberry, pineapple, cucumber, and honey. Strawberries really pair well with greens, so here's my take on a green smoothie. But disclaimer lang guys, the outcome of the shake is not really green. So I just mix lettuce, pineapple, strawberry, and cucumber. So I like to call this tropical because it's very refreshing. And when you see pineapple, it really reminds you of tropical fruit. So I found some honey in the counter and I thought it would be a good match for the pineapple and cucumber. But of course, you can switch this to any type of sugar you like. And then instead of using milk, I used water instead to mix everything in because I think it's better than milk, especially when I have a pineapple in the mix. And that's it guys. So sabi ko naman sa inyo, hindi siya green. So I didn't call it green smoothie. So I'd rather call it a strawberry tropical smoothie. So I hope you give this one a try. I shared this to my brother, my tito, and my lola, and they all loved it. Last but not the least is my personal favorite. It's a strawberry banana smoothie. So of course we'll need frozen strawberries, frozen bananas, oatmeal, milk, coconut sugar, and I think I added ice. So I just mix everything in a blender. Actually, the oatmeal is optional, but I just added it because this can also be a meal replacement and also a good breakfast idea. That's it guys, enjoy our strawberry banana smoothie. So those are the recipes guys. So you see naman it has a variety. The first one is a chocolatey one, strawberry chocolate. The second one is a more tropical one using fresh fruits available here in the Philippines, and the third one is a breakfast type of smoothie that you can take during breakfast or even at lunch and replace it as a meal. So I hope you enjoy these kinds of videos. Please let me know if you enjoy it kasi I plan to do more videos for you guys about food, about healthy meals that you can make at home. So that's it for now, and I'll see you again in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!